Hello everybody, just a little vlog today. Going to pick the lad up. I'm on my own, and that's not coming, it's not worth it. I'm at Lichfield train station. I've got to go to Tamworth. When I get to Tamworth I've got to wait an hour for him. So I thought I'd go into Tamworth and get a sandwich or something and have a look. See what happens, and if you're lucky I might even show you where me and that met. So, we can get the train. I've got about 10 minutes I think or something like that. Got me my gimbal on at the minute. So I don't know how it's going to look. And I forgot the thing for my mic. So I've got the mic in my hand. So chaos, absolute chaos. Yeah. Oh, and Steve Bacon, can you email me, mate? I need to speak to you. theoldfoodguy@gmail.com. Please, buddy. Thank you. Right, so yeah, off to get the train. Typical trains, 10 minutes late, as usual. I know when I lad rang this morning to get his train, there was a big delay up in Leeds or something about signal failure, so he's probably going to be late as well. Yeah, but trains, what do you expect sometimes from them? But next time you'll see me, we'll be in Tamworth. Yeah, it means my train was late. I got about 40 minutes instead of an hour now, so I ain't got to wait around as long. So I'm going to go get a sandwich or something. I don't know where from yet. Or I don't know, something, a Greg's or something. I don't know. We'll get something to have a look for half an hour before we've got to meet the lad. And yeah. Tamworth's not really a good, nice place anymore. Used to be really lovely, it's gone down a bit now. Well guys, here it is. Here it is. Let me show you. This is it. Oops. This is it. Standing right here. He was. Right there. That is where me and Nat met. Yes. Interesting, eh? Yeah, that's it. Well guys, I'm going to have a jacket spud. Loads of choices. What do you reckon I should have? Well, you can't tell me, can you, because the video, but let me show you. Ooh, I think I'm going to have a chili con carne or a chicken curry. That's the SpudArmy man on TikTok. I didn't know that. I'll have to check him out. Yeah, the Spud man. He just gave me a shout out on his TikTok channel. So go and check him. You'll see me on his TikTok. I don't know when he's uploading it. Yeah, nice of him, ain't it? Let me show you. I've had a chili and cheese. Yummy. Let me show you. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Let me show you, guys. Let me show you. Look at all that chili in there, look. Ooh. Oh yes. Let me get a fork. Yeah, SpudArmy on TikTok. You can check him out. Have a look. Oh, I love a bit of chilli. Got the red kidney beans in there as well. So unfortunately, Natalie. Oh yes, and I had a jacket spud for years either. Absolutely years. I've got around a bit. Yeah, I got about 20 minutes, so train station's a couple of minutes away. That's delicious. That is really, really nice. Oh man, nice and soft spuds as well. Gooey cheese. Oh yes. Oh wow. Oh, I could do another one of them, you know. Got loads left, but I'll show you again. Bit of a pain because I ain't got my thing from my mic. So I'm hoping you can hear me properly. Oh yeah. Let's carry my mic in my hands. There we go. Delicious. I went Chris's jump as well today. Thought I'd promote him around my old stomping ground. I'll have to take you round one day where I grew up and everything. I know you'd be interested in that. My schools and where I used to grow up, where I used to doss around, the trouble I used to get into. Could go around and vlog that, couldn't I? One day. Be a laugh, that would. Memory lane, as you say. Yes. That's going to be right jealous. That's going to be right jealous. Well, I'm going to eat it now. Yeah, I've just been speaking to the spud man again. I didn't know he was live. He was live when I was talking to him because I'm live. I thought, oh, hello, chat. Okay, nice bloke, and that food is delicious. Yeah, the SpudArmy, TikTok. 250,000 followers, I think he said he's got. Fair play to him. Fair play. So anyway, I've got to go now. Got to get the lads. Got about 10 minutes to go. So, yeah, I might do a bit of a vlog when I get home. We'll see. See you in a bit. And Spudman, absolutely brilliant. The SpudArmy, superb food. I just thought, well, I'm back to the train station. See if he's here. Oh, he's there. Lisa donated to Nat yesterday to get some donuts to cheer her up. So I'm the donut man's here. So I'll grab her some of them on the way back. And Nat loves the donuts. And we're home. Nah, what's up, Lisa? What's up, Lisa?
Thank you, Lisa.
Donuts!
I hope you're okay today, darling.
Yum. Yummy. Yum. Blake's already had one. So we had two actually at the train station.
Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, Lisa.
Okay. There you go. And thank you to SpudArmy. Thank you so much. I'm going to go now spend some time with the lad. We'll see you later. Just a quick thing. Bye-bye.
Get well soon, Lisa.
Yeah, get well soon, Lisa. Bye-bye.